table's a pretty darn Oh, shoot, we're recording. Hi. I pressed record early, frick. That joke doesn't make any sense. Heck. But, I had you guys waiting for like a week, so I think it's about time I, review the sodor fuel tankers. I think Thomas is bringing them in right now. Go on, Thomas. Can we not have a crash in this for 5 minutes? Both fuel tankers are pretty much the same, so I'll review the one that's in better condition. So, what do I have to say about this? It says sodor fuel on the side. There really isn't much to talk about with this. It's same, nothing on the bottom. Round magnets, those staples, build year, hold on. $2,000. You'd think by the year 2000 they'd have something on these, but nah. Like I said, there ain't much to talk about with these. I really should have thought of something else to review. Well, I guess that's the tanker review, and what am I gonna review next time? Yeah, this works. I guess next time we'll look at the Wood Thomas, Annie, and Clarabelle. It's like bread and butter. Later.